Hey guys, it's Claire and we're back for another episode of Questions on the Quad. Today, we're going to be seeing if Juniata students know the difference between real or fake Juniata traditions. Let's go. This is an 8-question trivia game to see if you can tell the difference between real traditions and fake traditions at Juniata College. I'm going to ask you what the name of the tradition, and you're going to tell me if it's real or fake. Is this tradition real or fake? Rush Week.
We never had
Greek life.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gotta be fake, because we don't have that.
Fake.
That's fake.
That's fake. That's impressive.
That's correct! We don't have Greek life on campus! Woo, you got 1 point down. Next tradition, is this real or fake? All class night.
I don't know.
All class night?
That sounds too normal to be a Juniata.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that would be.
I don't know
say
either.
yes.
Should we go with real? It's a real tradition?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, why not?
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
I'm kind of leaning towards fake.
Alright, 2 against 1. We decided fake.
I don't know.
You got a 50 shot.
Probably
Yeah.
something I've never heard about in your ass.
Yeah, sure, true.
Let's say it's real.
True.
It's gotta be real.
Fake?
Actually, this one is real.
Oh my god.
So this one was an all campus-wide talent show where basically all the classes would compete against one another. Of course, since then we've upgraded to Mr. Juniata, where it's just 2 guys from each class. But yeah.
Yeah.
It-
That
it-
seems more Juniata.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, next one. Is this real or fake? Raft regatta.
That is real.
That's definitely real.
Not anymore, but that's real.
That's real.
What?
Yes,
That is
raft
100%
regatta.
real.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's real.
That's real.
Yeah,
That's
that's-
100%
Yes, it
real.
is true. So I'm sure you guys probably already know, but essentially people would go and make rafts out of anything, and they would race down the Juniata River against one another.
Bring it back. Yeah. Bring that
Yeah, we want
tradition
that
back.
one
We want that one back. Let's go.
Okay, next tradition. Is this real or fake? Miss Juniata.
Yeah, I think that's fake.
Fake.
Fake. Yeah, I'm gonna say fake.
That's fake.
That's fake. I would say fake.
It's Mr. Juniata here.
Yes, you got it. Yeah, and if you don't know, Mr. Juniata is an awesome male pageant that all the proceeds go towards charity. Is this tradition real or fake? Mud volleyball.
True. That's real.
I think that's true. Yeah.
That should be real. I don't know if it's real, but it should be.
That's probably fake, but it sounds fun.
I'll say real. Why not? I feel like that's real.
I hope it's real.
It's definitely real.
Yeah. That would be fun. I hope that's real.
It is real. So one thing that's really cool about mud volleyball, it used to happen behind Ellis because back then, like we had giant mud pits.
It still is a giant mud pit.
Not pretty much. But yeah, so people would play volleyball there, and it would be a giant like tournament amongst the classes. And the best part was showering off in Sherwood and ruining all the showers there.
Oh no.
We should bring that back. I think we should. Is this real or fake? Friday Night Live.
True.
I'm gonna say fake, because I've said fake for all of them.
Yeah, I'll go fake. I'll go fake too. Why not?
I don't know.
I feel like that's real. I'm gonna go with real.
I think it sounds so real just because of Saturday Night Live, but like it sounds like something that they would make up to try to people. But I mean that's fine. Sophia?
True?
True?
It is true. So Friday Night Live actually every Friday it'd be kind of like Eagles After Dark, but they would hire in comedians, hypnotists, even like some pretty famous singers like Mike Posner, and they would actually hold the concerts in the gym, or they would do like the comedian night like in Baker.
Cool.
So,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
That's another thing I kind of want to bring back. Okay, last question. Is this real or fake? Mattress dominoes.
That sounds Juniata, but I don't know. That would be very difficult to pull off. I don't know. How many do we? Yeah, let's just say true.
I think I
That's
remember
real.
that. That's real.
Yo, maybe in the 80s.
That's
Honestly.
something in the 80s that like I wouldn't put past them.
I wouldn't put it past them, dude.
Like, could you imagine like in Sunderland just starting at the 3rd floor and just going down the steps?
I'm not going to go. I don't think so.
You don't think that's real?
No.
But it sounds really fun.
It sounds really fun.
So we're gonna go with
What are we
real
going with?
or fake.
I vote real.
Real?
That's
That's
real.
real.
It is
have-
real. Okay, so Mattress Domino's would actually start like
Yeah.
around like Kennedy, go all the way like through Lesher, South, all that jazz.
You inside your mattresses.
Yep, and you would go down and yeah, crush people. It was
Wait, how
great.
did it go through the stairs?
You know, I don't really know.
Anything is possible if you put your mind to it.
I think you got all of them
I
right.
think
Yeah, we did.
real.
Yeah.
Nice topic
Were you
to have.
cheating?
No, I'm just good.
Okay, fine, Joe.
This
But
is
yeah.
why I volunteered.
Yeah, I'm so glad because then now you guys like actually won the trivia game.
Do we get the camera now?
No. And that wraps up the trivia game, guys. Thank you so much. I
Thanks,
appreciate
Claire.
it.